Hi, welcome to my project. My name's Jamie, and I'm going to basically go through what my project does. So for the last week or so, I've been working on the editor database. If you right click this and run, this is a new functionality added in 4.22, the newest update for Unreal. It basically allows you to have like editor widgets. So I just created a database using this. So if I was to attach it to here, you can use the zoom in and out function, buttons, just so you can make it more seeable. I usually like to go for 55, just so everything is in line. So what this does is basically finds objects that you need or gets information about them as well. So I'm using the top function basically to find all the actors in level and currently selected, the actor name, the actor tag, and the actor class. As you can see, they are basically checkboxes, so you can select all of them if you want to, if they will match certain criteria, or just one of them. So for the first one, all the actors in your level with the actor name cube mesh, because these are basically just cube meshes, so I want to basically select them. So I'm going to select actor name and then just do cube mesh. As you can see, it automatically finds them for you. So there are 216 in the level. Just select that again and it automatically just selects it for you. So in this level there are 216 cube mesh. You can just get info, and it takes some time depending on how many objects are selected, because it has to go through all of them. So yeah, it shows you all of the things about each of the things that have been selected. So basically all of them have the basic name, like what's the name of the actor, the class it belongs to, where in the world it is, the rotation of the actor, and also the scale. So those are the main details for all of the actors in your level, and then it differentiates depending on what class it is. So these all belong to a static mesh class, and so they have LODs, number of materials it contains, the type of materials on them. So as you can see, some of them have cube material and some of them have brick hewn stone. So that's just to show you what type of materials there are. But I do plan to add more to the details tab. It just takes some time as there's different classes. We can also use actor tags. So I think I'm going to name a few. Name this one find me, and just copy a few all over the place. So there I've added like 3 so far. I'm going to add one more, but this time I'm going to hide it in one of the other cube meshes. So I'm just going to scale this down and just put it in there. So there's literally no way of finding that one without knowing the tag. So I would do in the level, because I know what I'll do cube meshes, because I want to select for other cube meshes. Oh. So 216. And then with the actor tag, now in selection. Oh. So now with the actor tag, find. Because find. And it automatically selects them for you. So as you can see, it's also found the one inside this cube mesh. And get info on them as well. So the next one. So basically the next one is act as a level. This is basically just your world outliner, but instead you can get in a list. And so let's add a few more tags here. So another tag. Another tag. I'm just getting the random tags all over the place. So when you modify the scene, you need to refresh so the whole editor gets refreshed. And so what this does is finds all the tags in your level and then just lists them for you. And here are all the tags basically. So find me, other tags, yeah. As you can see, it finds them for you. You don't need to manually select all of the meshes and find them. So next one is select all actors of class. This is basically the same thing, but for class instead. It selects it gives you all of the classes that are in the level, and you can just easily select them. So these are all of the actor mesh classes. 2026 actors. You can see all of them. Let's do text editor, text render, sorry. And there are two of them. You can get info on them. As you can see, they don't have LODs or the materials for them just yet, as this class doesn't really need to have them. The other class I've done actually is directional lights. If I was to navigate to directional lights and get info, it would give you extra features such as if this one is casting lights, if it's casting shadows, sorry, and the intensity and what color it's generating. So the next one is actually one of the powerful tools. It selects actors within a radius. For example, if we were to select this one and get its location, so roughly 15,000, 3,800. So if we were to put that as 15,000, 3,500 and 800. As you can see, it hasn't found any actors because there's no actors exactly at that position. So if we were to increase this to 1,000, it's found 1,000 in a radius of that coordinates, and it's found 10 actually, and you can just get info on all of them, just as like before. You can also use the drag function here, slider function, but you want to disable it because otherwise it's updating the list again and again that way, because there's actually a lot of actors in the scene. It's not viable to use that slider, so you have to disable using the auto update selection, just like I did, so you can use the slider, otherwise it'll just lag. So as you can see, every time you let go, it updates it for you, and just get info within that radius. I mean, that's pretty much it for my thing, for my project. But you can, these two, select and deselect all, are pretty self-explanatory. It selects all the actors in level. So I do plan to sell this this tool later on. It's great at the moment, but I plan to add more features to it. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you have any suggestions, just also put them down below.